gente que las puede. Desde plebe sabíamos que íbamos pa' este level. Me cambió la vida, nos cambió y al modo nunca para abajo, siempre para arriba. No me hizo menos ni un cabrón, nunca pudieron. Carrito del año y hasta gente que me cuida.
Alright, long story short, we got these parts painted. This is a rear bumper for the truck, the padding cover, and then we got the grill. But we're missing the centerpiece, so today I'm gonna paint it, and then we're gonna install all these pieces on the truck. I'm gonna take you guys along. Alright, so to install the SS bumper, it's basically a cover, so we're gonna use this shell that's already fucking bent. But we're gonna take off these plastic pieces and I'll show you how I'm gonna install it. Little wipe down before we install it, doesn't hurt. Alright, now I'm gonna just slide the cover on there. So I noticed this part's lifting up, so I'm gonna add some double-sided tape to hopefully help it stick. If not, we're gonna do like that for now. We were missing some hardware, so we got some at O'Reilly's. We got only 2 packs because that's all they had. So I'm gonna just add as much as I can. I don't know if you want to get it, there's a part number. You just snap in place. Alright, so to install this one, all you gotta do is align it and then pop them back into place, basically. Start on this side. In the middle. Long story short, I'm gonna drill into the bumper to make it sit flush like that. You guys will see right now. Right there, no? Hard? So I drilled the hole through the metal bumper and then through the plastic bumper, so there's no cable running through the top. Alright, so these are the OEM brackets that hold on the SS cover. It's the bolt, the bracket, and then this plastic piece. Well, that's what I got. Maybe it's not OEM. Alright, so that's the rear bumper install. The only thing I had to do that was a little tedious, just drill into the plastic bumper and the metal bumper. But that's because I got the aftermarket rear view mirror and I wanted it to look all flush, but it was pretty straightforward. Came out clean as fuck. Alright, so this is the SS grill. So this is the last piece that needs to be painted before we could reinstall it all back together and then put it on the truck. So I'm gonna start masking all this, mainly because it's not gonna be seen since it has the covers that are already painted white. So I'm gonna mainly paint the mesh. So let's get started. Alright, so the masking job isn't the best, but it's gonna do just to cover up the spots that aren't gonna be painted right now, just mainly the mesh. So we're gonna hit the booth. Alright, so I did add adhesive promoter on it so the paint does stick. I mean, I'm no painter, but it should help out. And then I got this aluminum can. I'm pretty sure this is the one I used on the lower grill, so hopefully it is, and we're gonna use this to do the top. Alright, so we're gonna start working on the front bumper or the grill. To remove this one, it's pretty simple. Alright, it's pretty simple. Just pop off these clips and then we're just gonna pull it off. Watch. Just like that, so. Alright, so this is the one I painted, and then this is the OEM one. The main difference is these little diamonds. Doesn't look up. So you put this one on first. Just like that. Alright, and then we got the centerpiece. Just like that. And then we got the bow tie. Damn, this shit does look crazy. How's it look? How's it look? Fuck, we gotta replace the headlight. Gotta replace the headlights now for sure. Alright, so the last thing we were missing for the SS clone was the headlights. This LED is actually from AutoZone, so $100. This is a switchback LED from DDM Tuning. Alright, so we finally finished the SS build.
Trocan bien perra se mira. Unas van super cargadas y otras son 4x4, por ahí se miran pasar. Pura adrenalina fija. Y son puros chavalones que los rezos de su madre dicen que los va a cuidar. Una Cheyenne o tal vez unas coyotonas que por ahí